In the bush belly of Hanover, Jamaica, two women lived like sisters, but only one of them knew the truth. Laddie was loved. She was sweet, hard-working, and humble. She run a cook shop by the main road. She sold fried chicken, cowfoot, callaloo, and saltfish. People lined up early to get her food and even stayed back late just to sit and chat. Keisha, she was Laddie's friend, but deep down she had a belly full of bitterness. Keisha was always behind in everything. Men used her and left her. And every time she hear people say,
"Let's soon build supermarket here now,"
she boil inside. She smile when she see Laddie, laugh with her, and even help sweep the cook shop sometimes. But every good news she hear, she cut another corner off her heart. One Sunday, when Laddie announced she bought a land down by Johnson Penn fi expand her business, Keisha make up her mind. She pack a scarf, 3 red candles, a bottle of bush rum, and head out before daylight. She climb past Backshot Valley, cross through Bamboo Bridge, and knock on a zinc gate that squeak like dead man breathing. A voice croak from inside.
"Come in, me wait long time."
The be a man named Papa Duppy. He was feared from long time. People say he could stop a heart from beating just by touching a chicken feather. Keisha kneel in front of him.
"Me tired fi suffer. Me tired fi Lottie always a step on me head. Me want her fi top, mash up her look, and mash up her life. She go on like she better than people."
Papa Duppy stared at her with one eye black and the other white.
"You sure? Jealousy call more dopey than love, you know. You ready for pay?"
Keisha nodded. He mixed dirt from several graves, oil from burnt hair, and spit from a black hen. He wrapped it in goat's skin and handed it to her.
"Bury this under our business place. When it start take root, our life a go drop right in front your face."
Late one night, barefoot, trembling, she sneaked behind Padda Cook's shop and dig a shallow hole near the back step. She buried the charm, whispering,
"Make she fall, make she lose, make she ball."
The very next week, Laddie bun up Dipata rice and peas 3 day in a row. Her man got in a car crash on the way back from Mobay. Health inspector comes by and find her in dirty conditions. Customers stop coming. She feels tired all the time. Things falls from the shelf for no reason. At nights, when she sleeps, she gets dreams about her drowning and she sees people with no eyes. Dreams of drowning means helplessness, and dreams of people with no eyes mean lack of vision. She starts locking up early, and people begin to whisper,
"Lottie no look right, you no notice?"
Papa Duppy didn't tell Keisha one part. Every shadow call for payment. The more Laddie fall, the more Keisha start feel off too. She starts seeing Laddie in her dreams, smiling, but with fire behind her eyes. She wakes up with scratches on her arm. Her own man stops calling. One night she even coughed and blood came up. When she returned to Papa Duppy, he laughed.
"You never ask if the spell did clean. You only beg for damage. Now the dirt grip both on you."
Keisha ran home barefoot, crying. When she reached Laddie's yard, Laddie was standing at her doorway, silent, calm, no anger, no tear, just power, like she knew something. Laddie had gone to a revival woman. She was clean now, washed in oil and salt. And when Keisha looked in her face, she knew. The curse she dig up for Laddie had already started to eat her soul.
"Me I beg you, me did wrong. Me did envy you. Me mash you up. I know me mash up myself. Me can't sleep, me can't live no more, no know what to do."
Keisha fell to her knees in the dirt. She stretched out her hands, trembling. Laddie looked down. Then she poured a little salt water on Keisha's hands and said only this,
"Forgiveness come with pain. Go live with your own."
She turned and walked inside, closed the door softly. While the wind blow hot, like the bush spit out Keisha and done with her.
Moral of the story, if you dig one grave for somebody, dig one for yourself too. You hear that?